Blue-Eyed Rider here. Now today, I'm going to show you how to remove your front seat on your 2020-2021 Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX. Now it's a very straightforward process, but some of you may be curious. To remove the front seat, as I said, it's really simple. But what you're going to need is a 6mm X key, Allen key socket, wrench, adapter, or you can use a tool out of your toolbox. So to remove the front seat, you first have to remove the rear seat, which is really simple and hopefully you already know, but you just stick your key in the bottom and turn the key and then lift up. Then your rear seat comes off. And once you have your rear seat off, you take your socket, you take these two bolts out, and they aren't in that tight. Matter of fact, I don't even know how tight they're supposed to be in. There's nothing in the service manual or anything I can find online for torquing these down, so just make them good and snug. But your front seat just requires these two bolts to come out and lift up, pull back. That's all there is to it. Now, don't mind the wiring mess. I'm still working on it. Put your seat back on. There's two hooks that go under this metal bracket. All you do is just slide them under. And then if everything lines up, your seat should sit down. That's an issue, and hopefully you don't lose a bolt like I just did. Just set them down. And what I like to do is I always like to lift the front just to make sure I did hook. Then you put them back in. Piece of cake. Again, I don't have any torque specs, so just make sure they're snug. Your rear seat, if you haven't taken it off yet, there's a hook that goes under this metal bracket. Now I still, to this day, try to put it under here first for whatever reason. It goes under this metal bracket and then clips into here. So you just take it, slide that clip under that metal bracket, line up the front, push down till it clicks, pull up, make sure it doesn't come off so you don't lose your seat. And if you're like me with a tail bag, you don't want to lose that either. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.